वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। प्यारे बच्चों, आज का टॉपिक है बर्ड्स नेम। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, स्पैरो। दिस इज अ स्पैरो। गर्ल, दिस इज अ गर्ल। Swan, this is a swan. Robin, this is a robin. Kingfisher, this is a kingfisher. Dove, this is a dove. Cran, this is a cran. Toucan, this is a toucan. Macaw, this is a macaw. Rooster, this is a rooster. Pigeon, this is a pigeon. Vulture, this is a vulture. Woodpecker, this is a woodpecker. Flamingo, this is a flamingo. Ostrich, this is a ostrich. Peacock, this is a peacock. Owl, this is a owl. Eagle, this is a eagle. Crow, this is a crow. Parrot, this is a parrot. Weaverbird, this is a weaverbird. Myna, this is a myna. Starling, this is a starling. Hawk, this is a hawk. Tailor bird, this is a tailor bird.